Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Bremer Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type in bremer.com. It will take you to the official website of Bremer Bank, and over here in this interface you can see the login button at the top right corner. Click on it and click on login. It will redirect you to the login portal of Bremer Bank. And over here enter the user ID of your account and click on continue. You will be redirected to the password section, and from over there enter the password of your account and click on login. You will be logged into your Bremer Bank. And in case if you guys forgot your user ID, click here forgot user ID to reset it. So this is how you can log in into your Bremer Bank account. This was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.